Welcome to Risky Reviews. Now, I love my GoPro Hero 9. In fact, I've had it for just under a month and I've used it already to make documentaries, music videos, and tech reviews. Subscribe if you want those videos. But today, we're talking about accessories. This is the TELESIN Batteries Quick Charger with 2 extra batteries bought on Amazon for just $40. But is it worth it? Let's find out. But before we get started, make sure you check out the Beer, Bongs, and Bullshit podcast on Spotify. These guys are funny, insightful, and they have interesting guests and over 30 episodes. The GoPro Hero 9 is an awesome run and gun camera. I love it, but if you use it as often as I do, one battery won't be enough. The TELESIN Hero 9 battery charging box is just what I need to solve this problem. It can charge up to 3 batteries at once, and it comes with 2 extra generic batteries. The charging case itself feels solid in its construction. It is a sturdy plastic box that holds the batteries and charges them at the same time. It reminds me a bit of the Apple AirPod case. I like it. Inside the box we get the charger itself, 2 spare GoPro batteries, more on those in a bit, a USB Type-C charger, and a quick guide with some humorous typos. Place the Hero 9 charging box on a flag-stable surface when in use. The only flag I have is this Pittsburgh Penguins 4-time Stanley Cup champion flag. I hope this works. It can charge 3 batteries at once when it's plugged into power. Around the front of the device, there are lights that illuminate red when the battery is low, yellow when it's nearly full, and green when the battery is full. Around the back is the Type-C port, which glows blue when plugged into power, and in the lid are a couple of spots for SD card storage. The batteries are the exact size of the original GoPro, so they fit just fine. I was worried that they would be too small and rattle around in the camera, but they didn't. I also like the look. They kept the color theme, and they don't look like generic batteries, but they are. The original GoPro battery is 1720 milliamp hours, and the TELESIN's claim to be 1750, so bigger, but they don't last nearly as long. I would say about 60 to 75%. So with all that, let's take a look at the good and the bad. Good, the case is sturdy and well constructed. You could just throw it in a backpack and go. Bad, the batteries do not last as long as they should. Good, you can plug a portable charger into it and charge the batteries on the go. Bad, if you leave the batteries in the case, they will slowly discharge over time. I actually really like the case itself, but the batteries, not so much. But would I recommend it? Well, to find that out, let's give it a risky score. The concept. The concept of an AirPod-style charging case for GoPro batteries is creative and the main impetus that attracted me to this device in the first place. TELESIN is not the only company doing this though, so it loses some points there. For concept, it gets 7 out of 10 stars. The price versus the value. The case, the Type-C cord, and the 2 extra batteries are a great deal for $40, although the quality of the battery makes the value go down somewhat. Despite that fact, I think it's worth it for the case alone. It gets 6 out of 10 stars. Quality. The charger case racked up points here with how sturdy the plastic is and how well the hinges hold together with the magnets. Again, points are deducted for the unimpressive batteries. 6 out of 10 stars. Effectiveness. It's great for charging your GoPro batteries in a convenient way, but loses points for the batteries included that would make you end up charging more, and the fact that you can't use it to store batteries because it drains over time kind of defeats the purpose. 5 out of 10 stars. The looks. For some products, this is the best category, but the look of this is utilitarian. It's a black box with not a ton of flair or style, but the product is not ugly and the batteries look good, so it falls right in the middle with 5 out of 10 stars. So in conclusion, we have a pretty solid case there and some meh batteries, but I think it's worth it for the case alone. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure you let me know by hitting that like button and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, be risky.